How to pay the IRS through Worldpay.paying your U.S. taxes to the IRS through Worldpay is simple and secure. Start by going to the official IRS payment website or the Worldpay tax payment page. Choose the type of tax you want to pay, like individual income tax, estimated tax, or business tax. Select Worldpay as your payment provider when prompted. Enter your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN, to identify your account. Then, type in the payment amount and tax year you're paying for. You'll be redirected to the Worldpay checkout page. Here, you can pay using a debit card, credit card, or bank account transfer. Fill in your card number, expiry date, and security code carefully. Double-check that all details are correct before submitting your payment. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation message on screen and an email receipt from Worldpay. Keep this receipt for your IRS records. It's proof that your payment was made. If your payment doesn't go through, verify your card limits or try again later. Always, make sure you're on a secure IRS-linked payment page before entering any information, and that's it. That's how you pay the IRS safely and quickly through Worldpay. Thanks for watching.